Easy DIY how to change LiPo RC adapter. I purchased this battery, and the connector doesn't match. These are some tools you can use. I cut my old battery connector to reuse it. Make sure though cut it closer to the old battery for allowance. And then, I cut the connector tip of the new battery. If you notice, I used torch heat gun to remove the plastic wire cover. This is only optional. You can always use the wire strip tool for this. Now, all the wires are stripped. You connect the stripped wire with their respective color. I used heat shrink tube here, for easy to put them together. But, you can also use electrical tape.
Stop by and have a chat with the wife. Thanks, Doc. Can I go with... No, he's something. Hell no.
This is how it looks when done. Hope this will help your DIY project.
Same thing.